Hi, my name is Eliza Stolmar and I'm the owner of the Watercolor Witch shop. In this class, you will learn how to paint a sage. The class includes a line art which you can download from the class resources menu, so you don't need to struggle with drawing. Instead, you can just enjoy painting. In the end, this is what you get if you follow my instructions. This class is suitable for total beginners, so don't be afraid. I will guide you step by step through the whole process. Here you will learn to paint a moon, a sage plant and a misty fog aura as well. And we are going to talk a bit about color theory. So what are you waiting for? Enroll in the class now and have a relaxing, fun time when you can express your creativity freely with me. See you in the class!